Hello friends, peace be upon you all. Friends, text effects and 2 tips related to them. As this text looks. Merging with background or coming out of background. Or blended with this colored smoke. How will we make it? And the other text we will make see-through, which will be editable, so we see how this text will be created. So, let's start the video. Write any text up here. And adjust on background. You can adjust text through the Move tool. After that, go to Blending Options. Bevel and Emboss setting will be something like this. Depth is 100%, size 5 pixels and soften is 3 pixels. Bevel and Emboss manipulates pixels of a layer to create illusion of depth. White color in highlight mode. Leave these as defaults. Give drop shadow of up to 10 pixels. Opacity should be 85%. Now activate the blending options. And it's at the top. Blending options: darkening, lightening, and altering contrast or saturation. Now in blend if. It is black slider in underlying layer. Move the black slider to the right. The background is overlapping text. Press Alt and click on slider. It will be divided into 2 parts. Move this apart slider slightly to right for smooth transition. Underlying layer refers to layers positioned below currently selected layer within layer stack. Similarly, move white slider to the left. Press Alt and click slider to divide it into 2 parts. And adjust it here for smooth transition. Smooth transition allows for a gradual blend of one layer into another, creating a seamless effect instead of a harsh cut. Click OK, and now view the text. So, text will feel coming out from inside this colorful smoke. The color of text can match with the background and can lighten its color. And it's up to you if you want to match it with another background color or not. Select the background or the area you want to change. Then, you can either fill the selection with a new color or create a new layer with a solid color. Change the up text here. Even after the text is changed, it will look like it has gone behind this colored smoke. Or the text is coming out of the background. This is a trick. Now, we look at the second trick. Draw a rectangle here to make the text see-through. Change the color of this rectangle to white. And its stroke is none. And change the text color to black. Now, it is visible. If we decrease fill amount, text disappears. Likewise, if you lower opacity, the text starts to disappear. That is, the text does not become see-through. Let us see background from the text. We'll go into the blending options for this layer. Photoshop blending modes control how layers interact, creating a variety of effects by combining pixels in different ways. Here you will find none in knockout. Here we will select shallow. Knockout shallow is a blending option that creates transparency within a group of layers. Now set fill opacity to 0. So, you will see that background of text has started to appear. Bevel and emboss want to apply, or not. The inner shadow will make text appear engraved. Inner shadows in Photoshop are used to add depth and dimension to 2D designs, creating the illusion of a cutout or recessed area. For this, select Cone and Contour. Adjust the size according to text. Select and link both layers. In Photoshop, linking layers allows you to move and transform multiple layers simultaneously while maintaining their relative positions. Now move text in rectangle anywhere you like. Text is see-through using knockout. You can change the text here. It is editable. So, this way you can see background of your text. Here, if you move, background will be visible from the text. These were 2 tips regarding the text. If you like, then like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.